Hey everyone, let me introduce an all-new member to the Packtalk line, Packtalk Neo. In this tutorial, we'll show you everything you need to know about it. Packtalk Neo comes loaded with premium technology. We'll start with a quick unboxing. Packtalk Neo comes either as a single or a dual kit. Dual kit meaning it has everything you need to outfit 2 helmets. In front of me I have both, so let's crack this one open, see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find a blister containing 1 or 2 units. Removing that blister, you'll see the documentation. That includes 2 pocket guides in multiple languages, which are picture-oriented and very easy to read. An installation guide, also picture-oriented, with a QR code to the Cardo Connect app and a QR code for the installation video. A flyer with information on how to update your software. You'll want to do that before the first time you use it. A safety and warranty document, a Ratus card, and a sticker. The bottom of the box contains an accessory box with all the parts you need to install the unit onto a helmet. This includes a cradle with a clamp, a glue plate for installation on large rim helmets, an audio connector, a set of 2 40mm JBL speakers, a hybrid boom microphone for use on open face and modular helmets, and a wired button mic for full face helmets, 2 speaker booster pads to help with adjusting speaker location inside the helmet ear cavities, a USB cable, 2 round Velcros, which are used when installing the speakers, 2 rectangular Velcro, which are used with the microphone, and 2 alcohol cleaning pads. Thanks for watching. See you next time.